Today I received a Xiaomi robot that doesn't start, doesn't charge, doesn't do anything at all. At the first check, it seems that it really does not start and does not indicate charging. I checked the charging dock and it is functional. Because there is a possibility that the battery is defective, the next logical step will be to check the battery. In order to reach the battery, it is necessary to remove the lower case. Now that we have access to the battery, we can check its voltage. It seems to be charged. This is not a very good sign. After unscrewing a large number of screws, we can disassemble the case and have access to the electronic board and the other internal components. It seems that the electronic board has traces of liquid and is oxidized on a rather large portion of the board. It should be disassembled to check the other side of the board. To be able to do this, you must disconnect the sensors, motors, speaker and camera connectors. This side of the board doesn't look too good either. Some components are quite oxidized. There are also vias that are oxidized and can cause serious problems in terms of cleaning and remaking the connections. In cases like this, you have to know when not to get involved in order not to waste time unnecessarily, especially when the chances of success are very small and when the product is not worth all this effort.